Hi children, today we will learn subtraction with borrowing because we have already learned subtraction without borrowing. So in this one, let's take an example. So we have to subtract and verify. It means that we have firstly have to subtract, you will minus, then you have to check your answer that your answer is correct or not. So as you can see that I have written the two questions, both are same, only you have to check which is greater and which is smaller number. So in this question you have to check only out of these two which is greater. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are having 6 digits and these are having 5 digits. So the number which is having 6 digits is a greater number. It means this one is a greater than this one. Or if you will get the question in this form, so this is 52,466 and it is 8,94,532. So the lakhs place is bigger than the 10,000 place, so this will be a greater. Or you can check like this, the number which are having a more number of digits, that will be a greater number. So I am going to write this number first at the top, and you have to arrange these two numbers in a vertical column. So firstly you have to write the greater number at the top, then you have to write the smaller number at the bottom, and kindly arrange the number, the smaller number, you have to place the digits starting from ones to bigger number. So as you know that the first number at the top, it is called minuend. It is called minuend. And the smaller number in the subtraction, it is called subtrahend. It is called subtrahend. And the result will get after subtracting minuend and subtrahend, it is called difference. Let's do it. So children, to start the subtraction from ones place, you can see that the number 2 is smaller than 6. So we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we need to 1 from the next column. So we have to cut the number 3 and it will give 1 to the number 2. So it will leave behind with number 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And it will give 1 to the 2, so that it will become a bigger number. So it will become 12. Children, listen to me carefully. So it has not basically given 1 to this one. It has given tens to digit 2. Then it is only 12. Why? Because if you will move from ones to tens place, then there is a difference of 10. If you will move from tens to 100, there is a difference of 10. It means the number is giving tens to the number 2. Then only it is a bigger number. So we will subtract 12 minus 6 is 6. Right? Now again let's move to the next column, tens column. As we can see that again that we cannot subtract 6 from 2. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from 5. So it will leave behind with the digit 4. Then it will give tens to this number, so that it will become a bigger number. So it will give tens. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Then it will become bigger number. Then 12 minus 6 is 6 again. Now we have to subtract the 100 place digits. So we can subtract 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now after it we have to subtract 2 from 4. So we can easily subtract because the top number is greater. 4 is bigger than 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Then we will subtract 9 minus 5. Again the number 9 is greater than 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 8. Here we have got the answer of the answer after subtracting the numbers. It is called difference. Now children, we have to verify, we have to check our number is correct or not. What we have to do? So first we will write the verification we have to do. So how to do the verification? We will add, subtrahend and difference. Then answer will come equals to the minuend, right? So first you have to write the subtrahend. So I am going to write 5, 2, 4, 6, 6. This I have written subtrahend. Then I am going to add subtrahend with the difference. Then difference I am going to write 6, 6, 0, 2, 4, 8. Now I am going to plus subtrahend and difference together, and it should be equals to minuend. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 will write down, 1 will be up. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 will write down, 1 will be up. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And this is 8. As you can see that if I'll compare, this is minuend. If you will compare my answer after adding the numbers, and it is exactly equals to this minuend. 894532, it is exactly equals to 894532. It means that our answer is correct. In this way you have to do the verification, right children? You can divide the sheet into two parts. Here you can do the subtraction and here you can show the verification in the notebook, right?